Hello students, we are discussing regarding the reservoir and the dams. In this video we are going to study the different contents like spillway and its types, straight drop, ogee spillway, chute spillway, volute type siphon spillway. The spillway, what we call it as a spillway, why we call it as a spillway? A spillway is the overflow portion of a dam over which surplus discharge flows from the reservoir to the downstream. For safety, spillways should have sufficient capacity to discharge floods likely to occur during the lifetime of the dam. Spillways ensure that the water does not overflow and damage or destroy the dam. Types of spillway. The overfall spillway that allows water to pass over its crest, widely used on gravity, arch and buttress dam. This is the simplest type. So this is the one type of overfall spillway. Next, the chute spillway. In this type, water is conveyed from the reservoir to the river or to nala below the dam through an excavated open channel through fairly steep slope. This is one type of chute spillway where in this portion we have been constructed a bridge, and below this we have provided a slopy portion just like this, but here it is smooth surface. Here we have been constructed a long surface with it is just like a overflow pattern. Next we have types of spillway again. In this we have straight drop spillway. Water flows over a relatively thin spillway crest and falls freely to the downstream. Usually appropriate for thin dams having almost vertical downstream faces. So this is a typical diagram of straight drop spillway. This is the gate and the water it's been full in up to here, and we are going to operate this, and from this level it is going to drop till this way. That we say it as a straight drop spillway. Next we have siphon spillway. A siphon spillway is similar to a shaft spillway but instead is incorporated into the dam. Siphon spillways comprise usually of 5 components, which include an inlet, an upper leg, a throat or a control section, a lower leg and a outlet. So this is a type of siphon spillway, and from this portion it starts flowing. It is just like the siphon and it starts flowing downwards, and HGL, it is the hydro gradient level. You might be studied this in hydraulics, saying that there is a hydraulic gradient level and you have some gradient level you might be studied, right? So this is the hydraulic gradient level. In the sense, the water is going to move from this point to the next lowest point. That is the hydraulic gradient level. So this finishes with this video. Thank you. If you have any queries, let me know.